shop. This can't even do nothing.
Then no buy what the money can buy, girl.
Even
Whoa, looking nice too.
Thanks.
Excuse me, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to the young lady beside you. Sweet. So what's your name?
I'm Tasha. You are?
No, sir. My name is Omar still.
Oh, nice meeting you, Omar.
So your sister just walk with gun, so.
What?
Omar, I know say me really can't stay with him. I have to go home now before she tell me.
God, no. So you have a phone?
No, I don't have none of that. I'm going to get phone from. Me have to go right
Hold on now. So you couldn't take my phone where you can use it. I will call it now.
You sure you want to give me your phone?
Yeah, man.
Alright, then me tell her when you can call me. Come, you don't know my sister later.
Nice, go. God, no. No, love me away upon this. Like a my time now. What do you tell her, say? No, so you can't tell her, say, I walk a bank. Yeah, man.
Mommy, I don't know what. Mommy.
Daddy, what you say?
You can't believe this. You know, say, after me and Tasha they come from shop, Tasha, this man
What you
come
say?
out from nowhere.
What you say?
Start talk to Tasha, mommy.
Kill me or kill him
And
tonight.
Tasha gone in a car with the man.
Kill me or kill him tonight.
But mommy, you know, say, you know, me believe that Tasha sell her vagina, mommy.
What?
Mommy, me believe.
Yeah, man, wait till he come in here tonight. Kill me or kill him tonight.
Mommy, the man will stop and they show Tasha money and Tasha say, yeah, I'm just
kill me or kill him
to
tonight.
tell you.
Daddy, kill me or kill him tonight.
Mommy, you know what you have to do? I tell her what to do, mommy. You have to just beat the girl. Just
Kill me or go
beat
kill
him,
him.
mommy.
Just kill me or go kill him tonight. Just he coming up to go and rock gun and kill me or go kill him tonight.
Mommy, I tell you, Tasha don't stand up so. They talk to the man, you know, and me I say Tasha come and Tasha now come. Mommy say me run,
We are
don't
killing
tell
him.
you.
Kill me or kill him tonight.
Mommy, no fret yourself. You know what you need to do? Yes, when Tasha come, mommy, you need to send her out. Mommy, put her out, put out her bag and her clothes and everything.
I send him out, out of me yard tonight.
Mommy, she go cause this, she go cause
Me I go
this.
send him out of me yard when he come in the yard and I send me I go send him a cops.
Mommy, she go call on disgrace pan the family, mommy.
Send me I go send him a cops. Me I run him out of me yard tonight.
Mommy, you see Tasha?
Me I run him out of me yard. Tonight, yeah.
But mommy, I know say this disgrace thing what Tasha do to the family ain't not right, you know? It don't right.
You want bring disgrace in my family. Me I run him out of my house tonight.
Mommy,
And me I send him a cops.
She a gonna make me go up on the road all tomorrow. My friend them look for me and let trouble me say my sister love man.
Me I run him out of my house tonight. I breathe in your palm me.
Mommy, you need to run out.
Me I run him out tonight, yeah. Me I run him out. He want breathe for me, now you need to breathe in your palm me. Me I send him a cops.
Mommy, when she come, mommy, me I go pack up her clothes now. When she
Yes.
come here, you just put her out.
Yes, me I put him out. Yes, me I put him out.
Tasha.
Yes,
Stop. We have something to give to your mother.
You can't stay long. You can't wait till tomorrow.
It not gonna be long, man. It not gonna be long.
Hurry up then.
Alright. Tasha,
Yeah, Master.
so you tell me that everything alright between you and your mother.
Everything alright, man, but me have to hurry up, go back at the house. When you say I have to give my mom,
Alright, give this to your mother.
You alright, though?
Yeah, man, to so far.
Alright, me tell her, say you will say.
Alright. Why? A nice young girl, you know. Feel for her. It's just like straight up in the wrong family. You know, I go talk to she mother about her. I talk to she mother.
Mommy. 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 I want my kid to go on, so.
Come here, Kasha.
Me no call.
Come here, Kasha.
Please, no.
Come here, Tasha.
Please.
Where I come from?
You're a monster.
Where are the don't tell with not care with man?
Oh God, mommy, that's all.
Your sister tell lie for you.
Yeah,
Give
mommy.
me
I
back
don't
here.
lie, me not tell for her, mommy. I don't lie.
Oh God, mommy, please.
You don't please me.
Mommy, I go for the bag with the
Don't
bag.
beg me. Me no want you beg me. Me no want you beg me. Me no want you beg me. No beg me. Me no want
Mommy,
you
see
beg
her
me.
clothes there, mommy, put her out.
Come out of me.
Come out.
Come out. Come out. Me no want you beg me.
Mommy, please, no.
Come out.
Come
Anyway, you can't find yourself. Find him back no more man there.
Go on with your man in her car. Go
Go on back
on.
and go with your man.
Mommy, you should have beat her, mommy. Mommy, go on and be her stepfather. Take your stepfather. Go on.
With the old thing them in
Mommy, I don't want stroke here, no back, mommy.
man, give me
And the man, where your money? We should have give your money.
money.
Mommy, I must say you care more than that.
Give me $50, go find $100, give me a one.
Go on, your man. You make me friend them laugh over me tomorrow. Mommy, alright, no, me you can't steal.
Yeah, you want to stay
Yeah, we
here.
stay.
Yeah, you want to stay here.
Go on. Go on, go beg Janice to put you up.
Yes.
Go on.
Go on to your man then.
No, mommy.
Mommy, please, may I beg you, please. Please, no, mommy, me not have no one anymore. Oh God, I don't know what's I feel I'm if you go well, you done well, I just me in the pig pan. Mommy blind, me don't know why me, God, why? Oh God. Oh God. Go save Master and can't put me up. Oh God, you know, I'm dead to them people. Me the clean, me wash me on him, me do all him homework. And then when I look you out, he still coming like he not love me out. Oh God, that's one dead. Why? Oh God, you. Nothing still.
Mommy. Don't worry yourself, mommy. You're not for to worry about her, mommy. Me tell you, say just me and you know. You have to worry about her, mommy. Me love you, here. Don't feel no way, mommy. You not have to worry about her. Remember, I know she go bring down the name of the family. She gonna make me and you look bad when we are walk on the road. And we tell us, suppose I will auntie hear this, mom. You know, my auntie go there say you go shame. Don't worry about her, mommy. Me and you alright, yeah? Me and you alone, we stay. You don't worry about her. Make she go on. Here, mommy?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go inside.
Hello, Mas John. Mas John. Mas John, oi. Mas John, oi.
Who is that?
Natasha.
Okay, give me a minute, I'm coming. Lord Jesus. What am I tell you, Tasha?
It was saying, Mommy put me out.
Put you out.
I'm not everything.
Alright. Don't worry. I'll take you out.
I'm going to call the police.
You can't call no police, man. I'll take you out, man. Don't worry. Give me a minute. Don't worry.
I can't go stay with you.
Come.
I'm not even eat yet.
You don't eat yet? Okay, you don't eat nothing yet?
No.
Okay, alright. Buy something.
You put me up.
Yeah, I'll make she put you up. I go talk to her.
No, I'm not go back.
Listen to me. I go take you up and she have to put you up. You hear me?
You go beat.
He cannot beat you. I was there. He cannot beat you.
I'm
You
sure they
understand?
go make him.
Shade don't have no talk there. Shade don't have no talk there. Me are the man there. Me is the man there. And see what me say? Go ahead. You understand? Listen to me carefully. Get up.
You're making that me back.
Yes, get up. Come with me.
Papa.
Listen to me. I'm your mother and she have to take you back. Stop crying. Come. Follow me. Listen to me, Tasha. Follow me and come. I have to take you back. Stop crying. Come. Follow me. Come. You're not beat your cup. Yeah, man, she have to take you back, man. When we don't talk to her today, she have to take you back.
You're showing go on me, mistake. Tell me. May come.
Just one little piece.
That'll be a nice thing.
That's it. Let's go with it. What? Puppy. I know you're going to try to make you still want more. It's only a little bit.
Something that I'm going to say.
I want more money.
Sudah.
Come here, babes.
Nama si kayak di sana.
Okay, so
Nah, tidak. Serius.
that's so much money you have.
Di sana semuanya di sana.
You're the only man I got.
Iya,
People love you. You're the only man in my life.
sure boy.
Swear, babes. Okay, I love you. Mama can't give no other man a good something.
Start your people.
So, baby. But I go work now because my mother pass here.
Serious. Bombarders. Siga. Me alone. Come like a well to blows and skirt, innit? A well that, innit? Come get me out there, man. Like a bushy speed. You go with the well all long and feel like a ocean to blows and skirt.
It's Ben. It's Ben.
Oi.
It's Ben.
Oi.
I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. I have a problem with your Tash.
You give me too much problem.
Listen to me. If you take back in Tash, you cannot throw Tash on the street like this. And me, I'm going to tell you now, you have to take him back in. And me now tell you not further, nothing more. Tash, go on inside your clothes. He cannot lick you. Me to go on in, go inside.
Go on in the house.
He cannot lick you. Go inside.
Go on in the house.
Go on inside.
Go on in the house.
Go inside.
Go on in the house.
And let me tell you something. For the rest of the night, I not even want to hear your voice up here. Don't even shout pan her.
Alright, me
And leave her alone. Babe, listen to me. You're two daughter. And you have to love your two daughter. No matter what your man they have. And no matter what they say, you have to love your two daughter. And I beg you, please. This babe, and your two daughter. And more you love the two of them the same way. And you birth the two of them, and you have to love the two of them the same way.
Alright, husband. What happened to you?
Nothing.
Stop it crying. You eat for a morning?
He ain't but Master John, he give me $1,000.
Give it to me.
Me a come.
And go on out, go wash your plate then.
Alright then.
Can't sleep up here. Some man here sleep up in the kitchen tired. I know you can't done sleeping. Hurry up! Now what the kill up your sweetness your yard here? So there, how are you here so pretty? How you get this a nice green area?
I say I find the money down the road and I just do it.
Oh, it's pretty man.
Thank you.
If I'm morning,
No, mommy,
I left breakfast in the house here.
I'm hungry, Tina.
Go on in, go eat it. Hurry up and sweep up the yard. Hurry up.
Me hurry, mommy.
Look for man.
God, if me not sleep here, good you go beat me.
Hurry up.
No, tell us say we want more bush.
Hurry up, hurry up. For God send man in for what it will fill up. Yeah, sweep up your one little yard. Shall I go and go eat your breakfast? Cause your sister lazy.
So, mommy, come here always want to treat body.
Girl, hurry up and sweep up your yard. Cause you think me and your size. Hurry up and sweep up your yard.
Me not face studio, but me say me always they do it out.
Hurry up and sweep up your yard. And you go like me and your size and me and your no size. And we will lick you.
Alright then, me just when they ask you something.
Right. Hurry up and sweep up your yard. Cause you always ask me questions. Feel say me and your size.
Why? You're nice, man. You just have fix me up bad. Girl have taste too, you know. Hold on. I go see me and I have no money. You know, so the one that ever have money. That girl ever have money here. I have to search for a car. Somewhere I want money. Oh, she ever hide money under her bed. Look up under this. That's it. Watch here to know. A nice purse. I wonder how much you pay for it. Damn. Girl, that's yes. Wait. She got money. No money this time, but oh, miss something. I think mother take the big one. It's the big one on there. Hold on. Oh, but it's a shop phone. You call the phone nice too. I'm not gone. I'm not over your phone. Chia. Phone stylish, you know. She watch her touch scream. Oh, look good right. I want to make you embarrassed.
Shade, what you do with my purse, girl? I tell me and tell us me like how your ear look.
Hey, look here, leave it and give me back this. I Uber your phone.
Shade, look here now. Please, you can't tell mommy. You can't tell mommy that. Please, I beg you.
I can't tell mommy anything. Mommy prefer me over you. So Uber your phone, girl.
Give me phone, man. Come, you're a little pity. You're not support. You love people business too much.
Hold on. I'm bigger than you, so give me it. Give it to me. I'm bigger than you. You don't even need the money to give me. I'm bigger than you. You don't need it. I need it because I'm going to go to a party tonight. I need to enjoy myself. Me tell you. And it look good. Are the boy buy it?
Which boy you talking?
The same boy.
What you suggest?
Tasha, me know you sell a body, you know. Me know you sell a body, and I go tell mommy, you know. Say, Betty, you tell me the truth from now.
You're not easy, girl. As me say, listen
Tasha,
to me.
Tasha, don't lie. Tell me the truth from now. It make it easier for you, you know. Remember, say, mommy did throw you out. We make it easier for you.
You know what? That give me the phone and it's none of your business. And you see, me don't know where you get that from and what you mean by me to sell my body. But me would never do that in my lifetime. You're too out of order. You know what's so funny, Shade?
What?
You think me never see you? Last night I saw you with the little worthless cranny scammer boy from down the road. I saw you, and guess what? You see, because me love you as a sister, me not tell nobody, me never tell mommy. You know what the funniest thing about it? Me could have show Mas John, but because I love. But no worry yourself. Me go always got your back like how you have mine.
But remember, say if you tell mommy, she not gonna believe you over me.
No
Just
worry
know
yourself.
that.
Don't worry yourself. Why? I don't know where you come from. I want to think God. No one may go there. If you say you're going to cramp my style, I may just see you what you will do. You know, I'm going to put me out because Master John now go beg for me again. You're not idiot. You're not idiot. Mommy always listen to you. Princess Denisha never do nothing yet. And you know, see your palm bush, they ride it. Me a Cinderella, ever they clean, ever they do this. When me look, me have to wash your panty. You know, do not in my house. Watch them. Me know, me have to go put back everything in order. So you want to live in a green ear, like what? Look how long labor right down win, and you want in a green ear. And mommy not see that, but you have time for it.
The boy needed a look for. Give mommy it. But me give mommy go show her out and just make a me and her alone. God no. Mommy misty so. God, the boy have good taste too, you know. He have good taste in a phone. The phone look good. I give mommy it. And make she get some liquor, mommy just throw her out. Now I'll give mommy it.
Tasha!
Yes, mommy!
Come here to me.
Come!
Tasha!
Yes, mommy!
Come here to me.
I'm coming!
Tasha!
Mommy, may I come?
Come here to me.
May I come?
Come here to me, Tasha. Where you get this?
I find it.
You can't find this a good, this a iPhone, yeah?
Mom, not tell you the truth. You know, say I want my friend them give me, but you, me don't want you be.
You hear me say you never take nothing for nobody because you will bring disgrace in our family. You see, for after today, this a for me.
No, mommy, you can't take your phone.
Little girl, for after today, this a for me.
Mommy, I don't mind.
For after today, this your phone for me. You not get back this your phone. A disgrace you want to bring down in our family.
Alright.
This your phone nice, yeah, sir. This your phone is nice. Watch out, it a ring. Hello? Who is this? Omar? So, are you a Tasha man? What kind of work you do? Oh, bank work? You come visit? All right.
Girl, say, me have to talk to you. About what? About me and you, girl. You can't live so. You know, sister, we not live right. Consider your stomach and stop going so. I want you get big and fat. You remember, see, I'm my first born, you know. I'm always have your back. Look, man, I can't move so. Cha. You don't go on like you just scan me. Me and you can't live so. what I want to talk to you about.
Boa.
It's like, you know, like me. Me they keep your secret for you. Look how mad on the road. Me could have tell you know, me could have tell I make money on your own. I mean not do that because wow. Me and you supposed to have each other. I mean older than you, mommy they make you the weird them and something and me not say nothing.
So
I just not understand this. I mean never used to the band like this girl. You're my sister, you're supposed to have my back. You come like say, you don't want to see me none tall as you see me. Look how you behave now. I don't understand you. I can't do this with you. I try to push out my all to you. Look on the two fat girl them down the road, Kim and Shay. You see them move so? Are you alone the move so? It's like, I don't know what do you our change.
you ever they get the good things, then why me can't get none? Every good man pass you want it. Why me can't get none? Why not evil like you? I mean him like him only look for you.
Oh. So the guy down the road I will see a shot when him Omar are the problem girl. Oh God girl, you don't know if he evil like none away. And you're not even know if you in like. You don't know because you just run off. You run gamble your business. Suppose you don't know if the reason why you give me the phone for you. You can't move so. You're a snitch for me. And you know what? I still love you no matter what. And I hope to God say you come around. And look here. I don't want Omar or whatever name they come between me. Because remember, so we don't have no father and mommy alone. So if you would have done me so girl, we expect other people go do me. Me ain't supposed to live good. Me still give me a hug because I don't like how you the things.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hug me up tight,
Everything about you.
so when I don't know, when we want to ask you, Mark, are your new boyfriend?
Which boyfriend?
You know what?
Yeah.
Forget about that. We not bother going there.
You come
so.
like you just to waste my time. Excuse me.
Alright.
Talk about my business.
Me then here same case you want to talk to me here. Boy, you know what the maturity they keep in on. I put them in clothes before. This a woman that come kill me or you run me home. Worst I call Master John wife say, you know, make him do no charity case. Okay, already they give mommy chicken and mommy take a chicken and dash you away like no. When they do that for? And you know, say sometimes we not know if it
Good evening, miss.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
Fine.
Oh, you know, so I'm just checking for Tasha.
Oh, who is you?
My name is Omar, man.
Oh,
Yeah, I just live right down the road there, where you see the big house.
I'm your Tasha mother. I'm your talk to on the phone.
Oh, can me give Tasha that phone, you know? Yeah, because she tell me say she need one to do some schoolwork and things funny.
And Tasha tell me say as a friend give her.
Yeah, man, I give me.
What's in the bag?
Oh, you know, sir, I just brought some little things for her. Not very much though, but
Give me.
so where is Tasha now?
Nine house.
You could call her, 'cause I would like to give her the bag in person.
Tasha? Someone come to you. Omar is a nice man, man. He brings something for my daughter, Tasha.
Well, you know, I grew up in a nice home, you know. Every Sunday I used to go to church and
He's a good youth.
yeah man, maybe you can see
Thank you.
what's in the bag and thing, you know.
Yes, mommy.
I get a bag for you, Tasha. Omar.
How you doing, Tasha?
I'm okay.
No, sir. I brought a juice for you. I don't know if that's your flavor, but
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thanks here, Omar.
You're welcome, man. I hope you like that flavor, and it's pineapple.
I appreciate it.
Well, some stuff in the bag for you also, you know.
Oh.
Mommy, you don't have to worry, man. I will get some stuff for you also when I'm coming back.
Okay.
Visit, you know.
Alright,
Okay.
thank you. Mommy, me go put it in a fridge and put on the stuff here.
So what's your name? Because I never hear you mention your name. You know.
Bev.
Bev?
And what's your name?
Omar again.
Nice to meet you, Omar.
Alright, you don't have to worry, man. Next time I'm coming, I'm gonna bring something nice for you.
Alright, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Nice.
She just get a drink, so here I bring it. Girl. She just get a drinks. Sure. Yeah, but miss her. Boy, she see me, man. She know. Why? Boy, I want mommy to come catch. Oh, mommy not come catch me, they do this. Girl just snuff too. Or him see me, man. I was so if I have a man, y'all don't know for have nothing. She not come. She make you run her belly. I hope she just there to shake it up. See, just she want about how she want, man. Me alone for have man in this. My mommy not even going now, so why? Make sure I put it in the fridge. Put it just like how she said it. Right, that's how she said it. More she want. Come, kitchen.
Yes, mommy.
Tasha, where your drinks there?
Which drinks?
The drinks that Omar give you.
Ma'am, put it in a fridge.
Oh.
Mommy, I not drink your drink, me juice.
I feel me house and anything in this house me have to drink it.
Mommy, you can't drink coffee
You
whole
have to
life.
drink
Remember,
it.
say I feel me drinks.
You
I
have
feel
to
it. Left some
I
for
feel
me.
me house and anything in this house I feel me.
Alright, left some for me. And when you're done, you make me talk. With long time when I know daughter and mother talk, you know, mommy? Mommy, and what do you? What? Mommy! 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 Oh God, mommy! Shade! Shade! You don't know what the mommy you to paralyze the mommy pressure lick him. Oh God, mommy! Mommy, wake up the mommy, please! Mommy! Mommy! Oh, the mommy! Oh, girl! You drink the juice right now, you know. Juice, take your mommy for drink! Oh, juice! Oh, God! Mommy, get down! Why have you give her the juice to drink? Wait, and the juice and the guy purple. Oh, God! No, look how you make your man kill mommy! Mommy, get down! Mommy, wake up, mommy! Mommy! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Mommy, get up now! Help! Mommy! Oh God! Mommy, get up! Mommy, get up! Mommy, get up! Mommy, get up now!
Tasha! Tasha, you can't go and let mommy. Mommy get low.